everybody, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are traveling to Germany. We are having schnitzel on a bun. Now I am part German, so all through this video I'm just going to want to say schnitzel over and over again, but I'm not going to. I'm going to refrain. I'm just going to do that one time. You will need two products from our store. First, you'll need the lemon olive oil. You will also need our A Premium white balsamic vinegar. First, we're going to work on one of the toppings we're going to put on our sandwich, and then we'll get to frying up our schnitzel. Now again, for all ingredients and amounts, please head over to our website. That's where everything is posted. We've taken some shallots, we've chopped them up into ringlets, very thin. What we are doing now is we are going to pickle these in the A Premium white balsamic. So you will need that. So once you have that all in the bowl together, you just want to get a fork and just toss the onion around in this vinegar. This is a more acidic vinegar, so it's really going to go nicely with the bite of the onion. You'll also need just a little bit of salt, not much. You basically want to make sure that all these are covered nicely by the vinegar. I'm salivating already just smelling everything. It just smells so good with that vinegar. You can let this sit for half an hour to an hour, so we're just going to put this aside while we make our schnitzel. Now when you go to tenderize your pork tenderloin, you need to grab your mighty hammer like Thor. That's enough of my Chris Hemsworth impression. Now let's tenderize these pork tenderloins up. And we did get ourselves some beautiful tenderloin from Old 99 Farm in Dundas again. We cut it lengthwise, so we're getting 2 pieces out of this. And you just want to hammer it down until it's about 1/4 inch thick, roughly. Take your anger out if you want to. Ha! Just kidding. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Thumb's fine. So now that these are nicely flattened, we are just going to lightly season these with salt and pepper. Then we'll be getting our dredging station put together. So here is our big dredging station. We've got a nice large egg that we've whipped up with our fork here from, again, Old 99 Farm. We have some flour. You can use some gluten-free flour if you like. We also have some paprika mixed in here as well. And we have some breadcrumbs. Obviously, you can use some gluten-free breadcrumbs if you'd like. So first off, we're gonna make sure that our schnitzel can fit in each of these. If you gotta move them around a little bit, that's fine. So we've got our cast iron all set up. We've got some nice high robust intensity olive oil. We're also adding our lemon olive oil to this because normally schnitzel's served with just a little bit of lemon juice. Let's get these in here. Shake off the excess. Fits all right there. Play with that a little bit. And you want to cook these about 2 to 3 minutes aside. Alright, I put a little bit of lemon oil on this side just before we flip it over to cook the other. Got some nice color there. I'll probably get it just a little darker for me. Ooh, that looks lovely. Alright, another 3 minutes. It should be good. So our bun is ready. What we are using first on this is in our store. We are using the roasted garlic aioli. Great flavor to this. So this is going to be our first layer here. Obviously use whatever kind of condiments and toppings you would like for your sandwich at home. Gonna drizzle just a little bit of Dijon mustard on here because I like my Dijon. Also got some beet sauerkraut here. Oh man, this sandwich is calling to me. I am quite hungry. This looks absolutely amazing. This is actually my first time making schnitzel, and I think this has actually turned out pretty good by look, but we are about to get a taste. Let me unhinge my jaw and not poke myself with the, I'm just gonna take this right out. There we go. Okay, future Derek here. We totally forgot to put the pickled onions on top of the sandwiches because we were so hungry. So we went and did that off screen and still tastes delicious. So enjoy. Oh man. That is a schnitzel sandwich. Hold on. That is schnitzel perfection, guys. It's such an easy recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Let's get a nice layer here. Sorry, I bumped the camera. Hopefully